Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna unbox this TP-Link mesh Wi-Fi extender and we're gonna see it from there. So I purchased this from Amazon and I'm gonna remove the outer plastic first. So I removed the outer plastic and this is what has come out. Okay, so here so this is the actual device. This we are gonna plug in and these are the antennas. Okay, yeah, it looks like, it looks like uh, it looks like what you call your actual looks like the image that you have over here. And yeah, I wish, do I have any instruction book here? Oh yeah, thank god I have. Okay, so I'm now gonna read it and we're gonna configure it in a different video. So this is what you get. So let's see how the performance is, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.